Yeah, take it all, ain't no way I can break it off. Girl, is you really down to pay the cost? Reverse the role that you can play the boss. Already know my vision is faded. I try to evade it.
Okay, what is up, guys? In today's video, what we're doing is we are assessing this rock chip. I was driving from my job to my dad's house, which is like a 5-minute drive, and a garbage truck drove past me. There's construction going on the road, and a rock just literally flew up, hit the windshield, and made this bubble on there. And I was just like, you gotta be kidding me. So first thing I did was go on YouTube and look up how to fix it. And then Chris Fix said to buy this. And then this is what we're gonna be using: resin, liquid glass to fill it in. So hopefully we can fix it before these cracks start to spread throughout the entire windshield, and then I have to get a new one. So let's get started. All right, guys, so the first step in this is to, can you hold this? We're gonna pick off all the old glass chips. Yeah. Just anything that's just sitting there and not actually being held on. It says just to pick all that out. So that's all that. Nothing else is picking up or getting picked out. So yeah, that's definitely the spot where I'm gonna this spot right here is where I'm gonna push the syringe in, because this is the deepest spot. Okay. And then what it says to do is to wipe off the area with this rubbing alcohol wipe. Doggo. Just to clean this area off. Alright, guys, so we moved the car out because UV rays has to hit this and make it harden. But now what we're gonna do is put about 3/4 of this in there. Alright, that's already filled all the way up to the top. And then you want to push this syringe in, and then you're gonna pull up to create a vacuum. And then you're gonna move this clip so it stays in the up position. Then, if we go inside and look, there should be bubbles. We should see air bubbles. Oh yeah, you can see air bubbles. No, you can't see it. You can't see it, but trust us, there's air bubbles right there. Yeah, you can see them. Yeah, I know. And then what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to tap the glass to make any air get sucked out through the vacuum. And we're supposed to let this sit like this for 10 minutes, and then when we come back out, we're gonna pull the syringe up to release the vacuum, and then we're gonna put it back in, and then we're gonna push all the resin into the crack so that it refills. So if we were in the sunlight, it would take 20 minutes to harden, but because it's raining, the directions say to wait an hour. So we'll just wait this 10 minutes for the vacuum to pull all the air out, and then we'll come back. Alright guys, this is what it looks like right here. It feels like a smooth surface. It's not rough. I don't feel like I'm gonna cut myself anymore. It definitely needs a little touching up. I'm going to do this again to fill this air gap, because there's a hole right there, and that resin will fill this air bubble in there. And then yeah, so I might do an update video of what it looks like, or in one of my next videos I'll update you guys and let you guys know how it looks the second time around. But right now I'm not doing anything, so I'm just gonna wash the car, and then I'm gonna do the sea foam on this. So I'll do a video of me doing that. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time.